through a city is modeled by the function n is equal with 15,000 divided by 1 plus 100 times e in exponent minus 0.5t, where n is the number of people infected by the virus after t days. How many days does it take about 2,000 people in this city to be infected with a virus? Approximate your answer to 3 decimal places. So this form we can write in this form here. Then we wanted to solve for t, how many days, and when we multiply everything by 1 plus 100 times e minus 0.5t, we're gonna get as follows. We're gonna get a n time 1 plus 100 in e in exponent minus 0.5t. 5t, which is equal with 15,000, because in other side the denominator is going to simplify with 1 plus 100 e in exponent minus 0.5t. So in the right side this is just 15,000. And now we distribute n in the left side, and what we're gonna get? We're gonna get a n plus n times 100 times 100 e in exponent minus 0.5t minus 0.5t is equal with 15,000. And now we subtract both sides with a minus n. Subtract both sides minus n. And this n minus n plus n is a 0. So what is going to remain in this side is going to remain n times 100 times e in exponent minus 0.5t minus 0.5t and in the other side is a 15,000 minus n. 15,000 minus n. And now everything I divided by n times 100. Everything I divided by n times 100. N times 100. So this equation I'm going to divide by 1 n times 100. What we are going to get here, we're going to get in this side n 100 by n 100 is going to simplify. It's going to remain just e in minus 0.5t. 0.5t. And in the other side remains 15,000 minus n. But now let's substitute n with 2,000, because n it takes how many people. It describes the number of the people, how many are going to be infected in how many days. The 2,000 people in how many days are going to be infected. So 2,000 instead of n, I'm going to substitute 2,000, and this number now I can write with numerical values, and we can solve this equation much easier, because we have just one parameter, one unknown, which is a day, minus 2,000. Let me erase this number here, and 2,000. And everything is divided by n times 100 is going to be, let me write 2,000 times 100 times 100. And now e in exponent minus 0.5t is going to be equal. 15,000 minus 2,000 is going to be 13,000. 13,000. And 200 times 2,000 times 100 is going to be 200,000. So this is 200,000. And I'm going to simplify some zeros. Those 3 0 I'm going to simplify with this 3 0. And now we have a 13 over 200. 13 over 200. So what we get here, let me change the pen here. E in minus 0.5 t. 5t is going to be equal with 13 over 200. Let me use the rule of the logs. So then I can lnize both sides, and ln of e in exponent minus 0.5t is equal to 13 over 200. Over 200 now, but here is ln. Both sides we have a ln. And now according to the ln rule, so this exponent goes in the front here, and they get a minus 0.5t. Is equal with the ln 13 over 200. But this number we can right away take care of this number, and we can calculate is 13 divided by 200, and we get a ln number which is a 0.733. So we take this number, we write is a 2.733. And now we divide everything by negative 0.5. We divide everything by 0.5, and t time is equal with negative 2.733 divided by negative 0.5. And now finally we get how many days gets to be infected from the virus. 2,000 people. And we're going to calculate. We divided this by 0.5 negative number, which is a 5.4667. Let me see again this number here. Which is a 5.4 5.4 I have a problem with my mouse. 4, 6, 6, 7. So it's going to take 5.4467 days.